In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timeline view to your Trello boards. By the end, you'll know how to open the timeline, navigate dates, change the zoom level, customize how tasks are organized, add a new card with start and due dates, mark it complete, archive it, and even reschedule tasks by dragging them on the timeline. First, open your browser and head to Trello.com. On the home page, click Boards to see the list of boards you have access to. Choose an existing project board you want to visualize. I'll use a simple Tasks to Do board for this walkthrough. Once the board opens, look for the Views option near the top of the page. Click Views, then choose Timeline. This switches your board from the default list or board view into a calendar-like view where cards with dates appear as bars across time. If your board doesn't show anything yet, don't worry, you'll add items and dates shortly. At the top of the timeline, you'll see the current month highlighted. Click the month label, for example March 2026, to open the date picker and quickly jump to a different time. If you opened it by accident or just want to exit, click the X to close that picker. On either side of the date, use the right arrow to move forward in time and the left arrow to move back. Those arrows are handy for scanning what's coming up or reviewing what's already passed. You can also control how much detail you see. Change the zoom to week to get a comfortable, medium-level overview. Then switch to day if you want a more granular, task-by-task layout. If a small menu remains open after choosing day, click day again to close it and keep your view tidy. Try month for a big picture perspective across several weeks, and, if needed, click month once more to confirm the selection or collapse the menu. When you're done exploring, return to week. It's a great balance of overview and detail while you plan. Now let's fine-tune how the timeline organizes information. In the Timeline toolbar, choose List so your cards are grouped by the lists from your board, like To Do, Doing, and Done. If you see options for swim lanes or color coding, set them to None for a clean starting point. If another None toggle is visible, set that to None as well to keep the view uncluttered. Finally, make sure the grouping is back on List so you can clearly see how tasks flow across your board's lists on the timeline. Let's add a task directly from the timeline. Click Add, then choose Card. When prompted to pick between card or list, type a short title. Here I'll use New. Next, set the dates. Click Today to choose a start, and click Today again if you're also setting the end date to the same day. If you prefer to be explicit, click Start Date to confirm when the work begins, and click Due Date to set when it should be finished. When everything looks good, click Add Card. You should now see the new card on the timeline, placed according to the dates you picked. If you just wrapped up that task, you can mark it as done right from the timeline. Click Mark Complete to strike it through and indicate it's finished. To clean things up further, click the new card to open its detail view, click the three-dotted button for more options, then choose Archive. That removes it from active views while keeping it available in your board's archive if you ever need it again. Close the card by clicking the X. Finally, let's reschedule an existing task. Find a card on the timeline, say Study Science. Click and drag it to a new date range. Dragging adjusts the start and due dates in one motion, which makes timeline planning fast and visual. That's it. You opened the timeline view, navigated dates, adjusted zoom, customized grouping, added a dated card, completed and archived it, and rescheduled another by dragging. Use these moves to keep your projects clear, on time, and easy to manage.